Wear your gloves. Do you have gloves? Put your thumb here. This one.
It's open! Wala akong
Yumi, andito ako, Yumi. Gusto mo yon? Eh, wala kang ganyan eh. So, okay lang. You washed your hands already, right? Oh, clean na yung hands mo. You don't need that one. Oh, sit down here. Upo ka na. Okay lang kahit walang gloves. Or stand chair. Asan yung sa'yo, Harvey? Where are your materials?
Ingay! Kaya ka! Ayan na! Ay! Ba't ako tayo? Ba't ako tayo ng movie?
Nako, yan na. Papaalisin ka na. Alis ka na daw bukas. Alis ka na daw bukas.
Ayun na!
Ha? Ano ayaw? Pumasok? Mag-experiment ba yan? Oh. Oh.
Ito lang ang black. Ito lang.
Tata ka. Ano pangalan ko?
Tessa.
Teacher?
Tessa.
You say teacher.
Okay, are you ready now? This morning we cooked vegetables. But today, now we're going to do fruit cocktail. See, what are the fruits again? Huh? Banana, apple, what else? Grape, pineapple, what else? Orange. Do you eat orange? We will open the box. Look at David, oh. David already, his mommy already cut. That's the one inside, okay? David. Later, you will mix that in. We're going to put some ice. You want to eat it with ice? Sabi, yung USA, orientation na ako. Talaga? Sa kailan? Sa Monday, basta Monday to Friday, pero asap nila, Monday daw. Ngayon yung pinanuha nila ako eh. Pero tumag-pwedeng Monday for ano.
Ba't naiyak ka? Ba't naiyak ka? Kami dapat ang iiyak kasi wala ka. Mawala ka na.
Kasi nadadala yung original document. That's in 2.5 formatic. Wala pong hindi na ano. Kasi yung employer nagpapaano, tsaka yung orientation. Isang na yung
Ha? Florida. Miami, Florida. Ay,
Orlando, Florida.
Oh,
Or
Miami.
Las Vegas po yung ano.
Miami, Florida.
Okay.